Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, my name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. So in today's video, I will be unboxing a conditioner bar that I ordered from Earth Rhythm last month, and I received the box very recently. I have sanitized the box and let's begin the unboxing now. I really love the packaging because it's plastic free. They haven't used any plastic tape or anything of that sort. Let's see how it's packed inside, but as of now the packaging is really nice. If you're someone into zero waste or sustainable living, I think you should check the Earth Rhythm website. I'll leave the link in the description box. You can use the coupon code Zero Waste to get 10% off on all the products. So the packaging is done in paper instead of bubble wrap, and the conditioner bar comes in a tin box, which is travel friendly and also eco-friendly. And the conditioner bar is wrapped in a butter paper, which you can of course take it out once you start using it. So I'm looking forward to using this conditioner bar. I'll keep you all posted on the reviews in the future videos, and they have also sent me hand sanitizer for free. So thank you so much, Earth Rhythm. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to view such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you.